And we begin tonight with new information that shows the COVID virus spreading faster than ever to start the new year.
And it's happening just as kids head back to school and moms and dads return to work after the holidays. So let's break down the numbers for you. Tonight, we've learned the positivity rate for PCR tests in Texas is a record 33%. That means more than 1 in every 85 Texans is an active COVID case right now.
New studies suggest the Omicron variant doesn't attack the lungs the way previous strains did, but hospitalizations are still spiking at the largest pediatric hospital in the country. Texas Children's Hospital in Houston just told us the number of pediatric patients quadrupled in the past 2 weeks.
And doctors tell us the majority of those kids are unvaccinated. WFAA's Damon Fernandez shows us what's being done to protect your kids when they return to class.
As students, teachers, and staff prepare to return to school campuses this new year, you can imagine safety is top of mind. It's the first week of a new year, and the ongoing surge of coronavirus cases in communities across Texas has people concerned.
We have staggering numbers here.
On Monday, Texas Children's Hospital announced it's seeing record positive COVID-19 cases, with nearly 70 hospitalizations in the past 2 weeks alone.
It's gone 15, double that 30 last Monday, to now close to 70.
The current Omicron surge is top of mind, especially as families prepare to return to school this week. Dallas ISD staffers formed a long line outside a COVID-19 testing site at a district operations facility in South Dallas on Monday. A few miles north, Richardson ISD hosted COVID-19 testing for students and staff in Lake Highlands High School. And across town in Lancaster ISD, dozens of adults and children waited their turn for COVID-19 vaccines or boosters at this pop-up clinic in the high school's gym.
What we learned over the holiday break was the fact that individuals simply could not get in to receive a COVID-19 test or a vaccine due to the high rise in COVID-19 numbers within our local community.
Lancaster ISD is among the first school districts in North Texas to announce plans to return to virtual instruction when school starts Wednesday. The district's chief communications officer, Kimberly Simpson, says administrators made the proactive decision based on student and staff safety.
Our pivot to instructional learning is just that, a pivot, with the hopes of returning on Monday.
Lancaster ISD will continue making vaccine clinics and COVID-19 testing sites available to the public this week, as will Dallas ISD.
We've learned most from this pandemic, the ability to be flexible, nimble, and pivot.
Executive Director of Communications Robin Harris says for now, Dallas ISD is planning for students and staff to return to in-person instruction.
Dallas ISD has felt in the best interest of its students and staff to continue our current mask protocol that was in place for the fall semester.
Harris says sanitizing and cleaning measures will also continue across Dallas ISD campuses. As students return to class, doctors are urging families to be proactive.
In general, if children are healthy, feeling well, and certainly if they've been vaccinated and now fully vaccinated, they should feel very confident about going to school.
In Dallas, I'm Damon Fernandez.